Autonomous Council Tourism EM Lunsing Teron visits Dolomara Lokhimon Ashram. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of the Tourism Department Lunsing Teron had on Wednesday visited Lokhimon Ashram located under Dolomara. During the visit, the EM inaugurated the newly constructed octagonal waiting shed. One of the famous pilgrimage sites in Karbi Anglong and Northeast India, the Lokhimon Ashram at Dolomara has earned itself a good name in the recent past. Many followers of Lokhimon visit the site on daily basis to see the place and also to pray at the ashram. Hearing about the growing numbers of visitors to the site, EM Lunsing Teron had in the year 2018 promised to construct an octagonal waiting shed for the use of the public. As per his commitment, the work has been completed and on Wednesday, the EM himself reached the ashram and officially opened the new waiting shed. Sensing that there is a need for more such facilities in the ashram, the EM had promised to build 2 more waiting sheds to facilitate the devotees going to climb the 628 steps to reach the peak of Sokphe Hill. An amount of Rs 20 lakhs will be sanctioned for this work. He also told the people that his department will take steps to develop the waterfall located near Dolomara Police Station into a place of tourist attraction. During the visit, the EM was accompanied by VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongphar, VDC member John Cutter, Dolomara Town Committee Chairman Mongol Singh Terang, Vice Chairman Devinson Terang, Ward Commissioner Sonaram Singnar, Samson Crow, Social Worker Dhoniram Rongphar, and Lokhimon Kuru.
The Kardom Pinila Dolomara long. Juga damtang 18-19 annual election plan along. Ini tu bukan ladak tim Karbi Anglong plan. Meeting na chupadu hala sohut ni ta EM long mirala. As Honorable CEM sir, Puliram long hang alang isi. La speech bibom long la sila sohut ni lita turis EM long miraka masih. Alang lidu pen ni lihir jume gelong dopik lo. Si la sohut dia tourist department benta octagonal set pipon dan ate. Oh angsoan karlu bolo tante. Munitum lakhui, non ini dah lakhui, keng klem hura loy.
Cicak kelas soning hello, pada ke kado ko vita chini, ini tu di Karbi long riang bong isi kudusar itu mehangga thega pipi, kang thiri long tu Dolomara itu, Lokhimon Ashram lagi kudusar lokang tin set si labang so ashram pincong pinci tekang, alang li isi dream lah dake, alang li amang ke heman thep ipik dake, kirbi pirthe thak munit pencing lo. Ladaka marat maring daka abu dek busuk ado kuya ladaka conservation dia dim nakke.
RG Rongphar's report from Dolomara for Karbi Anglong Live. The Borjan Mandal Kishan and Scheduled Tribe Cell of the Congress Party held an important meeting at Lakhijan LP School playground. They held discussion on several key matters, including their preparation for the upcoming state assembly election to be held next year. The meeting was held at 2 p.m. and was chaired by Borjan Mandal ST Cell President Ranjit Terang and was attended by both the Kisan and ST Cell leaders and their respective members. The meeting was attended by ex-MP Biren Singh Inti, APCC Secretary Samson Inti, ex-MLA Klengdun Inti, ex-EM Ashok Teron, Puding Terang, District Kisan Cell President Mahesh Chauhan, District Youth Congress Committee President Sukur Singh Crow, and others. While speaking at a meeting, District Youth Congress President Crow attacked the BJP party leaders at the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are incompetent and have created an anti-ST force now openly chanting ST Go Back, which was never existed during the Congress government. Further, District Youth Congress President said that contrary to the Sabka Saath Sabka Vikash party slogan, the RSS, Bajrang Dal, Vishu Hindu Parishad and other Hindu fanatic groups are openly threatening people of other faiths, and the recent warnings against the Christians are among the several instances of the hatred these groups are trying to create. Ex-Deputy Chairman Mahesh Chauhan stated that right now the farmers and STs are going through extremely difficult hardships and their future is being threatened following the introduction of various farm bills. Ex-CM in his speech stated that the BJP party managed to create divisions among the regional forces, even it was heavily defeated through forging alliances with another regional party, UPPL, to form government in BTC. APCC Secretary Samson Inti called upon all members for unity and work hard to bring their party back to power. He stressed that the key to victory lies in strengthening of the party at the grassroots level. Ex-MLA Kangdun Ingti, who also spoke at a meeting, dwelt on the subject of party activities and strategies to strengthen the party. On the other hand, while speaking on the occasion, ex-MP APCC has taken up the issue of Article 244A of the Constitution. The ex-MP has also demanded Horan Singh Bey for clarification and answers over the Farm Bill. He also attacked the BJP, stating that the Saffron Party has totally failed to deliver on its promises. He also severely criticized the ruling party, reminding that it was failed to provide jobs like and lied about rupees 15 lakhs into all citizens' account. He concluded his speech urging all party workers and members to give their best while carrying out party activities and to instill faith of voters in the party and bring back the party to power.
আমি সকলৰ এটা জয়েন্ট এক্সটেন্ডেড মিটিং আছিলে যাতে আমি আমাৰ নিজৰ ফালে আমি একটা ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশন হিচাপ আমি দিয়াব পাৰিম যে আমি কিষাণ সেলৰ এটো কি লক্ষ্য হয় আমাৰ অবজেক্টিভ কি হয় আৰু ইলেকশন লকে আমি কেনেকৈ কাম কৰিব পাৰিম আৰু কেনে কাম কৰি যাম হয় আমাৰ উদ্দেশ্যটো হয় এটো বিজেপি চৰকাৰ কাৰণে আমি এটো হাৰাব লাগিব আৰু কংগ্ৰেছৰ চৰকাৰ আকৌ ঘূৰি লৈ আনিব লাগিব
কৰিব লাগে এটো দাবী কৰিব লাগিব তাৰ সদায় বৰত পলাই থাকিব লাগিব নহলে চেণ্টাৰে এইটো পাহৰি যাব ষ্টেট লাগে এইটো কথাটো আমি কোৱা নাই আচলতে অৰ্থ হৈছে এইটোৱে বৰ্তমান এই ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কাউন্সিলৰ শাসন যি ক্ষমতা এইটো ইম্প্ৰুভ হ'ব লাগে।
The Kisan Cell and ST Cell have been conducting meetings since December 15, beginning from Sarupathar and Diopani constituencies, and now the meeting on Wednesday was also concluded on a high note and expectation. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang for Karbi Anglong Live. 2 wild elephants had died of electrocution in Bokarighat under Kheroni Forest Range of West Karbi Anglong. Here is a report. For the last few months, wild jumbos had been continuously creating havoc under several parts of West Karbi Anglong. Houses and agricultural fields have been largely damaged in several areas. On the other hand, several wild beasts have also died of accidents. In one such accident, 2 adult jumbos were electrocuted to death at Boraighat under Kheroni Range Forest in West Karbi Anglong on Tuesday early dawn around 2 a.m. after coming in contact with a live electric wire of 1100 voltage line passing through the forest and were killed on the spot. According to a report, the elephants got separated from the herd of around 50 and came in contact with a live electric wire as they attempted to cross the paddy on the outskirts of villages. According to villagers, the herd of wild elephants had been creating havoc in Kheroni areas, destroying paddy, farms and even attacked the villages for the past 3 months. The forest officials of Kheroni Forest Range, on hearing the incident, rushed to the spot and took necessary action to ascertain the real cause of the death.
মানে মানুহবিলাকে ঘৰৰ পৰা এই জেংখা ওলাবৰ কাৰণে পিলু ৰাস্তা এৰি দিছে খিলামতি হৈ কিনি ভয়ত যায়
আমি চাৰিটামান বজাত খবৰ পালোঁ আমি খবৰ পোৱাৰ পিছত ষ্টাফ প্ৰচিড কৰিলোঁ ইয়াত তেওঁলোকে আহিলে তাৰপিছত আমি সেই মৰ্মে আহিছোঁ এতিয়া তাৰপিছত আমাৰ প্ৰাথমিক যিখিনি কাম আছে আমি হেৰি পষ্টমৰ্টেম কৰিব লাগিব সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ লগতে অনাৰেবল
Mohan Teron report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.